Hi, ChatGPT.
Hello, how can I assist you today?
I'm making a video in which my AI-generated avatar will recite the St. Crispin's Day speech from Henry V. Are you familiar with this speech?
Yes, I'm familiar with the St. Crispin's Day speech from Shakespeare's play Henry V. It is a renowned and powerful speech delivered by King Henry V to inspire his troops before the Battle of Agincourt. It's a great choice for your video project. If you have any specific questions or need assistance with the speech or any related aspects, feel free to ask.
Would you be willing to write me an introduction to the portion of that video that contains the speech?
Certainly, I'd be happy to help you with that. Here's a possible introduction for the portion of your video that features the St. Crispin's Day speech.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a moment of timeless inspiration. In this digital realm, we find ourselves in the presence of a remarkable AI-generated avatar, embodying the essence of strength, courage, and leadership. Today, this virtual embodiment will channel the spirit of King Henry V, as portrayed in Shakespeare's Henry V, to deliver the renowned St. Crispin's Day speech. As we delve into history and literature, let us remember the power of words to ignite the fire within us, to unite us in purpose, and to transcend the boundaries of time. So without further ado, let us witness this extraordinary avatar embody the resolute determination of King Henry V, and recite the iconic St. Crispin's Day speech, inspiring us all to face our own battles with unwavering valor.
Feel free to modify or adapt this introduction according to your preferences. Let me know if there's anything else I can assist you with.
Wow, that's great. Good job.
You're very welcome. I'm glad I could assist you. If you have any more questions or need further help, feel free to ask. Good luck with your video project.
What's he that wishes so? My cousin Westmoreland? No, my fair cousin. If we are marked to die, we are enow to do our country loss. And if to live, the fewer men the greater share of honor. God's will, I pray thee, wish not one man more. By Jove, I am not covetous for gold, nor care I who doth feed upon my costs. It yearns me not if men my garments wear. Such outward things dwell not in my desires. But if it be a sin to covet honor, I am the most offending soul alive. No, faith my cause. Wish not a man from England God's peace. I would not lose so great an honor as one man more, methinks, would share from me for the best hope I have. Oh, do not wish one more, rather proclaim it, Westmoreland, through my host, that he which hath no stomach to this fight, let him depart. His passport shall be made, and crowns for convoy put into his purse. We would not die in that man's company that fears his fellowship to die with us. This day is called the Feast of Crispian. He that outlives this day and comes safe home will stand a tiptoe when the day is named, and rouse him at the name of Crispian. He that shall live this day and see old age will yearly on the vigil feast his neighbors, and say tomorrow is St. Crispian. Then will he strip his sleeve and show his scars, and say, these wounds I had on Crispin's day. Old men forget, yet all shall be forgot. But he'll remember with advantages what feats he did that day. Then shall our names, familiar in his mouth as household words, Harry the King, Bedford and Exeter, Warwick and Talbot, Salisbury and Gloucester, be in their flowing cups freshly remembered. This story shall the good man teach his son, and Crispian shall ne'er go by from this day to the ending of the world, but we in it shall be remembered, we few, we happy few, we band of brothers, for he today that sheds his blood with me shall be my brother. Be he ne'er so vile, this day shall gentle his condition. And gentlemen in England now abed shall think themselves accursed they were not here, and hold their manhoods cheap, whiles any speaks that fought with us upon St. Crispin's Day.